crypto world, Sunday, midday in the United States, and it's already Monday in Asia. Crypto, I'm going to describe it as basically unchanged with a mild back off in some cryptos. Now, as we all know, the Fed is anticipated to cut on Wednesday, and everybody wants to hear what Powell has to say. But I am happy that crypto's up on the week, but other markets are at their all-time highs. The equity market and the dollars is low for the year, and yet crypto doesn't have the same magnitude, if you will, of green. Now, there's time between now and Wednesday to see what happens, but I would like to see crypto rally up into the Fed decision, because at the moment it's rallied up, but not the magnitude that other markets have. Now, I want to bring up a remarkable piece of news. We all know Warren Buffett and his opinion on Bitcoin. Well, a Buffett devotee who has quoted him many times is a money manager at a company called the Capital Group. The Capital Group is one of the most important mutual funds. As of the end of 2024, they had over $3 trillion in assets under management. And it turns out that they now own $6 billion worth of stocks, because they're a mutual fund, they buy stocks, that own Bitcoin. And in particular, the majority of that is MicroStrategy. I bring this up because when you have a blue chip mutual fund that manages $3 trillion coming out and saying how important they believe Bitcoin is and putting their money where their mouth is, so to speak, and own $6 billion worth of Bitcoin related stocks, it's a very positive thing. Now, I'm just going to mention this but not spend a lot of time on it because Powell is the next big thing. But remember, by the end of September, we're going to have the question of whether the United States is going to fund its debt and whether they will, as usual, have a lot of drama about whether they're not going to be paying, whether they're going to be late, etc. So get ready for that drama, but that's going to happen after Powell. Now, I'm sure you're all familiar with prediction markets. I'm just sharing this. I don't know what value they have because they're relatively new. But the first question they've asked, will Ethereum next hit $5,000 or dip to $3,500? We have over 75% say it's going to hit 5,000 in this marketplace. And the same prediction marketplace has the question of whether Bitcoin will hit 125,000, which is its all-time high, or dip to 105,000. It's a little more, let's say, close. We have approximately 57 say it'll make its all-time high, but a large percentage, 42%, believe it'll go to 105. Those are just prediction markets. They're new. Nobody knows how much they really are accurate about the future, but I thought I'd share that with you. And I have to say, we have to see how Bitcoin acts going into Monday in the United States to see if they will go higher in anticipation of rate cuts.